Okay guys, so now it's not raining. I just got off work and let me show you guys the car. Front, the whole front is loose. See, it's loose. There's this stuff's all scraped. What else? Tires are practically new. There's no problems with the body. All tires match and they look brand new. This is the problem with the car. It's got a dent right here. It's missing the tail lights, the rear bumper. This thing got pushed down a bit, so I need to fix that. See, tail lights. It's missing that top spoiler. This side, same as the other one, it's pretty clean. No dents, no chips, except for the front bumper. The worst part is the rear. But since I didn't get a chance to check this car out in person, the way you see it in the back, that's not the worst. There's more to it. Let me show you guys. See, it's missing all the panels, the quarter panels, plastics. Here too, the bottom. And I guess they did that like for the insurance company, the estimator to check what was the damage. But after checking everything out and getting the price for the tail lights, the rear bumper, the lower balance, and fixing that little dent, that's nothing compared to what the interior panels cost. I think the interior panels are gonna be, I checked that one on eBay and that one used is $800, because that's $800, that's $400, that's $200 for the piece and $200 for shipping. This one's the same, $200 and $200 plus shipping. For shipping, I mean, so that both of them are $800 plus all these plastics, and then all the plastics on top of that. I'm missing the latch also, and so all these plastics are gonna be more expensive than the actual damage. Not like the Kia, they tore the Kia apart, but they left all the parts inside the car. But this one, they didn't. I don't know why they didn't, but the rest of the car is in decent shape. The seats are pretty dirty, but that's it. They're just dirty, no rips or nothing. The same with the front seats, no rips. They're just dirty like any other car that I've bought from COPART. The stereo is pretty bad. It's really nice. It doesn't turn on right now because I got the battery disconnected because of that rear gate doesn't latch properly, or doesn't latch at all, and keeps all the lights on and kills the battery. But once I get that fixed, I'll show you guys how everything works and sounds. The bumpers already right here. I ordered them and overnight, so I got them the next day. I had these arrive. I ordered them the day like around 4 o'clock, and the next day I had them at 10 o'clock in the morning. So here they are. I got the the lower top part, the bumper cover with the sensors, the park assist sensors. I need to order those too. Go. And then this is the lower balance. This is the lower balance. See? That's the bottom part of the bumper. It's textured so it stays like that, black. This is primered. That's what's needed for that rear bumper.